Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use exterior lights switch off delay. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes infotainment system. Here you need to swipe to the left until you see the settings. Let me tap the settings icon. From the list of settings, you can choose different tabs, and right now we are focusing on the lights, so the third tab. Select here interior exterior lighting, the second option, and now let's select exterior lights switch off delay, so also the second option here. So what it does, this keeps the headlights and mirror lights on for a set amount of time after you lock the car. Why you should use it? It acts like as a pathway light to help you see your way to your front door at night. You can click here to adjust this time. You can set it off, of course, but you can switch it from 15, for example, to 16 seconds as well. I think 15 seconds it's the right time for me, so I will leave it that way. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.